If you run a business, there's one place your customers are definitely looking for you, and that's Google. If your Google business profile isn't showing up properly, you could be missing out on a lot of people who are ready to visit, book, or buy. I'm Connie, the social media coordinator here at Sendable, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up and optimize your Google business profile so you can actually get seen. No ads, no SEO deep dive, just some simple steps that are going to work. Google Business Profile is one of those tools that quietly does the heavy lifting for your business. Once it's set up properly, it can help you get discovered by the right people at the right time, right where they're searching. So let's start with the basics. What actually is Google Business Profile? Well, it used to be called Google My Business. So if you've heard that name before, same thing, different name. It's a free tool from Google that lets you control how your business appears in search results and on Google Maps. That includes your business name, hours, contact info, reviews, photos, products, and even updates. Basically, all of the info people want before they decide to click through to your site. Think of Google Business Profile as a digital shopfront. Before anyone walks in, they see your window display, and this is where you make your first impression. If your listing is outdated or missing, people might think that your business isn't trustworthy or that you've closed. So, whether you're a social media manager, running multiple profiles, locations, or you're just running your own small business, your Google Business Profile isn't an option anymore. It's absolutely essential. And as a bonus, it's free, so you literally have zero excuse not to set it up. Okay, let's get into the fun part, setting it up. First, you'll need a Google account that is directly connected to your business. This is especially important if you're managing profiles for clients or a brand. You don't want to mix your business notifications with personal YouTube recommendations for Taylor Swift piano covers. Believe me, I've been there. Next, head to google.com/business and claim your listing. If it already exists, you'll just go through a quick verification process. Google will send you a code via phone, email, or in the mail. Once you're verified, it's time to optimize your profile so you can actually show up in search. Now, Google ranks listings based on 3 key things. Number 1, relevance. So how well is your profile matching what someone is searching for? Number 2, distance. How close are you to the person searching? And finally, prominence. Basically, how well known or established you are online. So here's what you need to do. Use your real business name. Pick the most accurate category. For example, instead of consultant, go with marketing consultant or nutrition consultant, depending on your niche. Make sure to then add your hours, phone number, and a website link. Then write a short, clear description that includes a few natural keywords. Upload good quality photos, a logo, storefront, products, staff, all of it. And please skip the blurry, low quality images from 2013. Businesses with great photos get more clicks, more trust, and more customers. Now, this next part is where your profile starts to feel a little bit more like social media. You can actually post updates directly to your Google Business Profile. Things like events, offers, blog articles, or even behind the scenes photos. Think of it as your mini content feed for people who are already searching for what you do. Posting regularly keeps your profile fresh, which signals to Google that you're active and helps you show up more often. Then there are reviews. Now, reviews are everything on Google. They don't just build trust with potential customers, they also affect your ranking and search results. So, make it a habit to ask happy customers for reviews. You could even generate a short link and include it in your email signature or on receipts. And when you get the less than perfect reviews, because they can always happen, don't ignore them. Make sure to respond with empathy and professionalism. This is because future customers will see how you handle that feedback, and that is going to build even more trust than a 5-star review. Pro tip: replying to every review, even the positive ones, shows Google that you're engaged and managing your business actively. It's great for local SEO and even better for your reputation. Lastly, don't forget to check your insights. Google gives you data about how people find you, what actions they take, whether they're clicking for directions, calling you, or visiting your site, and which photos or posts perform best. Those insights will help you work on your content and help you make smarter decisions at what you can share next. These next 4 steps are for those social media managers managing Google Business profiles for multiple clients or locations. Here's what makes life easier. First up is maintaining consistency. Make sure every profile uses the same brand voice, opening hours, contact details, and logos. That consistency helps customers recognize the brand, and it also helps Google trust your information. Secondly, make sure to do research. Have a look at what other businesses in your niche are doing and check what is available for your industry. For example, restaurants can add menus, hotels can display amenities, and service-based businesses can add booking links. Thirdly, plan content. Treat Google Business like another content channel in your strategy. Repurpose existing posts from Instagram, Facebook, or turn your blog into updates, local offers, and FAQs. And the final step is to schedule posts. You don't need to post daily, but weekly updates are ideal. If you're using Sendable, you can schedule all of your Google Business posts alongside other platforms. It's organized, it's efficient, and it saves you from logging into 10 different dashboards. And that's a wrap. Google Business Profile might not give you viral posts or feel the most flashy, but it will make your brand look like it's alive, trustworthy, and ready to be found. So go claim your listing, upload those photos, post that update, and maybe even reply to that review that's been waiting a while. Because you deserve to see your business shine online. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video, and if you've got a question about Google Business Profile or any other social platform, leave it below and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.